Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to create, receive, and manage support tickets in your free Freshdesk. First, create a ticket manually. Go to your dashboard. Click Tickets on the left. Then, click New Ticket at the top. A form opens. Fill in the customer's email. Write a subject. Type the problem description in the big box. Choose a priority like low. Click Create Ticket. Now, to receive tickets, customers email your support address. Freshdesk turns that email into a new ticket automatically. To manage tickets, go to the Tickets page. See a list of all tickets. Click on any ticket subject to open it. Inside, reply to the customer. Type your response in the box at the bottom and click Send. Change the ticket status. Use the drop-down near the top. Set it to open, pending, or resolved. To assign a ticket, find the Assignee field, click it and select a teammate. And that's it. You can create tickets, get them from email and manage by replying, changing status, and assigning. If this helped you handle support, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.